TE Connectivity is one of the best workplaces for innovators.
TE is one of the best workplaces for innovators.
I think a TE is one of the best workplaces for innovators.
Because we get to work with every corner of the industrial economy globally to solve customers' biggest and most pressing connectivity challenges.
Our company values the importance of research and development and knows how to make cutting-edge new technologies an integral part of its business.
TE Connectivity is a great place to be an innovator because of the diverse, creative, and experienced engineering communities we have all over the world, and the opportunities we get to collaborate with them and to work with them.
And you get the support you need by management, by other departments, or by teammates.
Because we're always striving to be on the forefront of technology and development. TE will give you the tools and the resources on how to bring your ideas about how to make our products better to life.
And we have passion and enthusiasm, plus a proven track record for innovation.
We're proud to announce that TE Connectivity has been named one of the best workplaces for innovators by Fast Company.
Here at TE, we live innovation every day. It's in our culture and our products. It's how we work and how we think.
We want to thank our colleagues for making TE Connectivity one of the best workplaces for innovators around the globe.
And we look forward to continuing our work to create a safer, sustainable, productive, and connected future together.